high-end unit natin. So adjustable yung bat nya, rechargeable. So may blowback, may automatic, may semi-auto, may safe. Prime magazine. Okay, prime magazine din siya. High-end unit ah. So test pair natin to. High-end unit, gel blaster, full auto.